Hi, I'm just going to give you a quick cold start demo on my 92 300D. Car's been sitting overnight, so it's ice cold to the touch. Got my hand on the exhaust manifold, valve cover. Everything's ice cold. I just wanted, prior to starting the car, I just wanted to point out a couple things that I've done, mostly servicing. I replaced both fuel filters. I replaced the fuel nozzle injector seals, replaced some of the fuel hosing coming to the motor. I've done a trans service on the car. Oil's been changed with full synthetic Rotella T6. And I just replaced this center grill trim piece that had a ding, and I have, which I'll be installing, a brand new OEM hood pull release. I'm going to go inside and blow